Hey guys, it's Brendan, and this is going to be one of my last videos before I start doing another one. And so, let's get to my personal new gun that I got. This is the gun. All you have to do really is just crank this little part and then shoot. So, it's pretty simple. That's just one of my another one, just like the other one, Nerf gun 2. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you. See you guys next time.